Hey guys, welcome to How to Zone, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up an eSIM and how to activate it. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your settings tab right over here, and now click on mobile services right over here. Now you can scroll all the way down, and on the SIMs section, as you can see, you have the add eSIM section. All you need to do is click on the add eSIM section, and there are multiple ways you can go ahead and add it. So first is going to be transfer from nearby iPhone. You can click on this and then place devices next to each other, and then you'll receive a prompt on your other iPhone to connect to this one. And if you don't get it, then ensure that both of the iPhone is unlocked and using iOS 16 or later and Bluetooth is on. The second way is going to be by using the QR code. Click on this option and click on scan QR code. And once you put a barcode right over here on in front of your camera, it will go ahead and sign up and scan it. The other way you can do it is going to be by transferring from your Android. You can click on continue, scan this little QR code with your Android, and then you will be connected to your iPhone, and then you can transfer it following the prompts. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.